everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm so glad to have you. Welcome to an amazing video where I'll be unboxing this big tall gadget which is an instant pot, the original brand of Instantpot, and we'll see more about it. It's 8 liters, I think the biggest I could get. So I got this from Grace of K&L shops, K&L family shop. I will link her Instagram page on the description box. Please reach out and support her. One of the things that I'll assure you, if you're making purchases for your kitchen gadgets, please do go for the original stuff. It may be quite a bit costly or on the higher side, but it does serve you for a longer time. This gadget is something I've been waiting for, because my pressure cooker, which I was given actually as a gift in my wedding more than 10 years ago, and that goes for a lot of my kitchen equipment. You'll find that it's like they're crying, they're saying change us, or you're pushing us too much, change us. So my manual pressure cooker broke down, so we were really just trying to work with it, with what can work, and it was so interesting. I used to laugh, like when we are boiling beans or some type of lentils, we will put there, and then when the pressure is releasing, because the cap is not there, it will leave like a spray of beans across the kitchen and a bit of the ceiling. So it was so messy on the cabinet, you have to clean. And I prayed and I told God bless me with an electric cooker, whereby I can whereby I can move to a better upgrade, and I'm so happy and grateful to God that it has come. So we unbox it. So we start unboxing this. I should have been telling you that story as I was trying to unbox. Okay, I'm not in the kitchen, I'm just in one of the rooms, because the other rooms I could not work from the kitchen. I feel like I need a bigger a knife or something. Let me get that. Yeah, because of the firm tape, I think this is an easier option. So as you can see, it's very bulky. I didn't expect it to be this bulky though. Let's see what it looks like. I've seen a 6 liter. I've seen I think a smaller one than that, but I'm curious. Let's see the volume of this 8 liter, which is what I could get. This, guys, is original stuff. Oh my God, I need help. This is how it looks. So you have to remove this box like this. Wow. So that we can get to this, guys. Wow. Talk of dreams come true. Here is my Instantpot. It's 7-in-1 multi-use programmable pressure cooker duo. So it's called the gadget is called Instantpot Duo, and then it is called programmable pressure cooker, and then it is saying with advanced microprocessor technology. Okay, let's see how that advanced will look like. It's America's #1 cooking brands, and I am so happy that I've been able to get this gadget, saving and waiting until we are here. Cook food up to 70% faster, easy to control, smart. Recommend the smart way you cook. Healthier. That's one of my reasons why we have this. So let's continue unboxing. This is how it looks like here on top. I want to keep you as close as possible. Wow, and it has this cover. So if I just bend it a little bit so that you see, that's how it is. It's a big thing. It's a very big thing. Here is my user manual. How do you like this? It looks like a book someone would want to read. use a manual. Definitely this is where we will start. I won't even start cooking today. Like I just sit down with this manual, read it, then I see how to operate this gadget. Awesome stuff. Now it is time to remove this from the box. And just before I put the box down, I remove the power cable. And there is nothing else in the box. That's it. So we look like we have 2 power cables. I know why. Because of the adaptability. They give you the options which fits the socket use. For our country, Kenya, mostly we go with this. But if you have an adapter, this would also work. I like it that it is giving me options. But even when I'm in a house where I used to use that other one, it will be easy. Wow, this is massive. Here is our new baby. Wow, let's just admire it even before. So we'll go ahead and open this and check what is inside. Let me put this aside first. It's heavy, though not excessively heavy. Then now we get to the inside. So it comes with this stand. Okay, we'll see how to use it. These are more instructions. They are saying, please note, we have upgraded the display from red to white lights for easier viewing. Okay, that means that these lights will be white than red. Yes, the product image of the box may not be accurately, of course, they always say that. And then now we see the mother baby. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. It is so gorgeous and sleek. Instant pot. This is stainless steel, like it can't scratch those ones of at enamel. Any enamel, it is a sufuria. You can see this. So even washing it, and it is nothing non-stick or all that, but it has a very nice bottom. It is like round. You can feel that texture. It's very good for induction in terms of even placing it here. So let's go on. What is this saying? Warning, make sure the heating element is free from grease and debris. Do not leave food on the heating element. They use only genuine Instantpot for inner cooking. Remove that can before using it. Yeah, they are saying don't substitute this for second hand or other brands. Then how it looks inside is this. My goodness, it's so nice to have anything. It's so new. Just want to use it. So that's how it looks like. And like an amazing gadget. The other thing we had not checked is the lid, which actually is where the pressure and all that is controlled from. I don't know why I thought they will give me an extra this seal. I thought I'll be able to get an extra, but I think these things are bought as spare parts. So that's how there's a seal here. This is removable. I feel like I'm forcing it to remove, so you'll allow me to check the manual. Then I know how to remove it. Then when we are making the next meal, which we'll be making using the Instantpot, I think I can show you that. Then we have these valves here. something about the pressure. I'll check all this and familiarize with it, and then that's how they look on top. This is where you release. There's something called venting here and another one called sealing. This is where if you want it to build pressure, you do. If you want it to release pressure, you do. Of course, guys, I'm not that blank. I've been reading and checking out stuff on this. Warning. Let me tell you what it says. Hot steam from steam release valve can cause burns. Place hand or face. Do not place hand or face on unprotected skin or the steam release valve when cooking is in operation. Rather obvious, but it's good to do precaution. So this is how it looks. I love this. This is big enough that when I'm making a lot of food, I don't have to be constrained by the capacity. It has a place where you have the maximum, or where the things you're cooking should not pass. And then I'll just be closing it that way, and then do what now? Oh yeah. It's actually very easy. It's me who is getting caught up in all this. So as I've told you, allow me to read the manual so that I can just give this the best care it deserves, because it has really costed me. Not so much, but it's slightly higher. Let's see how long this cord is before we finish. Because I was reading something that was saying they don't recommend using extensions to this. So let me see the length, and what it means is I may need to know where to place it. Yeah, so that's where you plug it in. It has 3, 1, 2, 3. Quite straightforward. Then this is it. It's long enough. I'll get a way of working with it in the kitchen. I like it. I like it. Let me know what you think about this gadget. What you have, what has been working for you. If you would like one of these, as I've told you, I would highly recommend you to Grace of K&L shop, a family shop. They are amazing, amazing products as well. You can check from them. Thank you so much.